Why do you think that you and Jalen are so close?
I don't know.
Do you think that he's cute? You don't think Jalen's cute? Like you wouldn't consider him like a boyfriend?
What's your favorite color? Harry Potter. Yeah.
Y'all hear that?
Pull, I have no hands, pull. Okay, oh, my goodness, he is, oh, that hand's wet.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
okay. Hi, sweetie. What's your name?
Vivi.
Hi, Vivi.
4, 5. This is what you keep forgetting. Why do you keep forgetting this? Just twist, twist. Ugh, ugh. I went in with the attitude that I was going to do all of the posing for Vivian, and Vivi just took off. She just went off on her own.
So, everybody, we have to win, and that's so #1 priority. Like, I'm my mom's. So.
Why do you keep making rabbit noses at me?
Because my nose is stuffed up because I have a cold.
Wipe it off. Go straight down.
I know how to do that.